What's up, guys? What's going on? Let's see this video. Let's see this story between the chicken and the young boy fighting. Let me know what you think. Let me know your idea. Mbwira ibitekerezo byawe. Ninki wize mu video tugiye kureba mu kanya. Ni kitu gani ambacho umejifunza kwenye video ambayo tunaenda angalia kwa sasa. Thank you so much. Chicken versus young boy. Love. What did you see? What did you see? What did you do? If you see something wrong, please take action. If you see something wrong, take action. The kid and the chicken, one of them is in danger. Either the chicken is in danger or the boy may be in danger, depending on how hard the chicken bite him or depending on how hard the guy beat the chicken. I love you so much. The Don TV, Dr. AMR. Subscribe. See you in the next video.